Hey there everyone, I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Today I'm going to talk to you about some hot metal glues that we use in order to perform paintless dent repair. So some of the ones that we've got, so I've got quite a few selections here. These are all glues that we have used, are using right now. A lot of things that come up are, why all the crazy colors? What's the difference? Doesn't glue just, isn't it just glue? Like who cares? You know what I mean? So what it actually ends up being is with the glues, different types of glues pull different. They react different in different temperatures, different humidity levels, and they actually have a setup time to where they're completely different. Like, so one dent or one glue with one dent, you might want to pull it really fast and quick, and the next dent with a different glue, or the same dent with a different glue, you're going to want to wait longer to pull. So it changes everything all over the place. So it's very difficult to be to tell people, oh yeah, this is the one, like, within reason. They're certain guys get accustomed to one specific style glue and they make it work. That's fantastic. That's awesome. That's actually probably the best way to do it. That way you're not having to buy a bunch of different packs. I'm always one to where I want to try out whatever's newest, latest, greatest. Give it a shot as far as how is it actually working in the field. So behind me here, I've got some of the glue guns that we actually end up using. A lot of these, well, yeah, 3 of them are made exactly by Dent. So just like this one here. So this is the Dent glue gun. Takes a DeWalt battery, just slides in there, turns on. I don't have the battery with me, but anyways. And this one actually has the tequila glue from Anson. So that's what this is. So yeah, this unfortunately is going to be backwards, but you get the idea. So there'll be links and stuff like that down below, and you will just whatever type in AnsonPDR.com. So anyways, so this is the tequila glue, one of the tequila series glues that they actually offer. This is one that I've used kind of on and off. I used it kind of in between a few other ones. As far as last year when I was working out in North Carolina, I was actually started using this. So I was familiar with the hog glue. This is Daniel Grom's glue from Anson PDR as well. You can pick up all this glue actually at Anson PDR. So anyways, give them a shout out if you need any glue. So the hog glue, they actually make 2 different versions of it. So you can buy a pack where it's all the orange, like we're showing here, or you can actually buy it with the some of the black sticks in it. So I know some guys had really good luck with alternating, so doing a black stick through the entire gun and then switching it to an orange and just alternating through there. I personally never have done that, but I mean, hey, if it works, it works. I mean, there's nothing to argue there. Another one of the glues I've got here, this is actually something I got introduced actually exactly about a year ago. So this is actually from Keco, and this is their collision style glue. So this is the stuff that any guys that are body men on here watching, they're doing the big repairs, using a frame machine to pull on damage. I still am waiting for the chance. My dad owns a frame machine and has his own frame machine business. So that's definitely something I want to do someday, just to see. But unfortunately, I haven't had to do quite that extreme damage yet. So anyways, this is their collision glue. It's clear, works really good. The one thing that a lot of people will say, I wouldn't say it's a complaint, it's just an adjustment. It dries a lot, or it sets up, I should say, a lot slower. Not a lot slower, but a little bit noticeably of a difference compared to the other standard glues. And then they also have their green line. I'm not sure exactly who makes the green glue from them. Anyways, just go on Anson PDR. You can get all this stuff. Go on Keco, KecoTabs.com, I think is what the name of the URL. Just type in Keco Paintless Dent Repair and you'll be able to find it. Anyways, they sell this glue. It works really good. Like I said, a little bit longer setup times, but I don't really do a whole lot of big glue. Well, I do, but most of the time I'm doing like hail damage or medium-sized damage to where I don't, even with the quote-unquote longer time, which again, I'm not saying it's a substantial amount, I was still able to pull regular hail with it down in Arizona last year in October. So, I mean, that tells you anything. Anyways, so this is one of the newest glues that they've actually came to market. This is the slime glue. This is a collaboration between Carbon-Tech PDR, again, it's backwards, but you get the idea, between Carbon-Tech PDR tools and Anson. So they actually made up their own kind of glue. It is green here, so I've actually got it in a gun here. This was another glue that was originally put on the market with, and again, this is all my understanding of it. This was supposed to be a more collision style type of glue. It's supposed to take a little bit longer to set up. Man, I've been using this for a little over a month every single day in South Dakota, and right now it is 35 degrees out. Obviously we're in the shop right now, so it's, you know, it's quite a bit hotter. It's about 69. It's normally about what I keep it roughly. And I've had nothing but success with this glue. So people that say, you know, oh, it's a hot weather glue only, not in my opinion. I mean, I wouldn't say, you know, that 65 to 70 is not hot by any means. So I personally don't have a problem with it. I've been using this. This has actually been my go-to glue for quite some time, for at least a month or two. And then the last glue I've got here just for a demonstration is the, actually I've got one more, but this is the Tequila Cold Series glue. So this was actually something I got put onto when I was out with Gene Fetty with Dent Repair Now and Louie, working out in the Pittsburgh area earlier this year. So they were actually using this glue. Again, it's called the cold weather glue. Man, I was using it in, I used this glue from about mid-May or so all the way through until about August. So I was using this glue exclusively, and then I tried some of the slime glue from Carbon Tech and Anson PDR, and just, you know, stuck with it just because it was working and it was in the gun. Another glue gun I have over here just to kind of highlight on some of the other ones. Again, this is a limited gun. This has actually got Tabwell. This is available from Black Flag PDR. I know you could get it through Cam Auto and I would imagine Anson. Another fantastic glue. I mean, it's in a gun, so it's always able to be used. So it's another go-to style of glue. Obviously in this one here, this is the Trifecta. This is available from Anson PDR exclusively, but this was a collaboration between Anson, Anson, now I'm going to draw like Dent, the other glue gun manufacturers. So they kind of went in all together, you know, why not? I think there's another, TDN was the other one. So what it is it actually takes the standard Ryobi battery, which a lot of guys have been starting to use for glue guns. I personally, whatever, I'm a DeWalt guy, so it is what it is. But anyways, they make actually a nice adapter that you can purchase and pop in there and convert it from a Ryobi style battery to a DeWalt, Milwaukee, Bosch, which is the first glue gun that I know of anyways, that this glue gun will work on a Bosch battery with an adapter. And what is it, Makita. So Milwaukee, Makita, DeWalt, Bosch, and then you take the adapter off and you can use, now I'm going to draw a blank. Anyways, Ryobi. Another glue gun that works really, really well. This was another one from Anson. This is a corded glue gun, so don't use this one really at all unless I'm just experimenting with glues. It's actually got the root beer glue on it. Worked really well. Just happened to stay in this gun, and I just don't use it enough to pull it out and change or do anything with it, but it worked really well. So I mean, no complaints. So it runs actually off a 12-volt system. It'll run off of a standard battery, was it 12-volt cigarette lighter, or you can clamp it onto your actual battery on your halide or whatever. Card battery actually would work, and it works great. So anyways, so I just wanted to touch on as far as some of the glues that we use in the paintless dent repair industry. If you got any questions on anything, feel free to go and leave them down in the comment section below. You can direct message us as well. If you want to get a hold of us, either call or text us, 605-250-1023. Do any type of major, minor, hail damage, all that kind of stuff in vehicles. Also check out our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. Please, appreciate you guys. I use Polish honey most of the time. I actually do have some of that glue. I actually never got the chance around to actually using it because just nothing against it. I haven't had the chance to put it in a gun and actually try it. So I've heard really good things as well. There's another one that's on the clearer-ish side if I remember right, but I can't remember it off the top of my head. Anyways, appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video. Check us out on our website, SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. Follow us on all the social media platforms, you know the deal. So I appreciate you guys watching. Take care. When if you got anything you want to see or learn or have any questions, comments, anything like that, leave them down in the comment section. I'll be happy to make a video about it and let you guys know. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Take care. We'll see you on the next one.